let's take all of this business about nail shape and curvature and tie it into nail art.
For you, this has been very important to figure out which things work for you. And so you'll talk about that and which things don't. Like, I can do all of these and it's fine because
at any length. Anna can do it at any length, which is amazing.
Yeah.
So for me, there are certain things. So, and this is what is important about understanding you and your nail structure and how they behave. For me, my nails are always at high risk of peeling. They are also at high risk of chipping and tearing and doing other weird things. So I tend to avoid accessories and bling. Stickers, I found that those can actually be bonded and peel and take nail layers with them. Anything with paint tends to be okay. And this is another important thing. Test different paints, test different base coats, test different top coats. I found that, and this was one of the most interesting.
Paint is acrylic. Paint is acrylic type of paint. You're talking about polish, right?
Polish. Well, paint and polish, any of it. Like whatever you're putting on top of your nails. And I've also found that sometimes it works in some seasons, and in other seasons, the same thing doesn't work.
Oh, good point.
It's very frustrating, but once I realized and recognized that that's what I'm dealing with, I didn't have to throw the baby out with the bathwater. What a terrible saying. But it allowed me to look at it and analyze it and test it with different objectives of what works for me in this season. So all of these can work for you all of the time if you have nails like Anna. And, it's like, just look at them, try them out, and figure out what works for you in what season and what doesn't. Right. So we're not going to go into the how-tos of all of this, but if you're looking for ideas, Anna has a whole bunch of boards on Pinterest of different styles and different stuff like that, great tutorials. We also have a handful of videos where Corey got to learn, and these I found both highly entertaining and very informative because Corey's starting out not knowing anything, so that's always great. And then, of course, Instagram is full of amazing nail bloggers. Oh my gosh, it's a treasure trove, so check that out.